In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to move a file between folders in the HubSpot File Manager. If you're organizing images, documents, PDFs, or any other uploaded assets inside HubSpot, keeping your file structure clean is extremely important. A well-organized file manager makes it easier to manage content, update assets, and keep your marketing materials structured as your business grows. The good news is that moving files inside HubSpot is quick and simple once you know where to click. So in this step-by-step tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials and software how-to guides. Let's jump right in. Step 1 is to go to the File Manager inside HubSpot. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top navigation bar. Click on Content, and from the drop-down menu, select Files. This will take you directly to the HubSpot File Manager, where all of your uploaded assets are stored. Depending on how many files you have, you may see a list view or a grid view. On the left-hand side, you'll typically see your folder structure, which helps you organize your files into categories. This is where all file management actions begin. Next, you'll need to locate the file that you want to move. To do this, browse through your folder list on the left side of the screen. Click on the folder that currently contains the file you want to relocate. Once you open the folder, you'll see all the files stored inside it. If you have many files, you can also use the search bar at the top to quickly find a specific file by name. Take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct file before moving on to the next step. Now it's time to select the file and move it. Hover over the file you want to move, and you should see an Actions option appear. Click on Actions, and from the drop-down menu, choose Move. As soon as you click Move, a sidebar will open on the right-hand side of your screen. This sidebar displays your folder tree, allowing you to browse through all available folders in your file manager. Carefully scroll through the folder structure and click on the destination folder where you want the file to be placed. Make sure you choose the correct folder, especially if you have similarly named folders. This step is important because keeping your assets organized properly will save you time later when building emails, landing pages, or website content inside HubSpot. Once you've selected the destination folder, the final step is to confirm the move. At the bottom of the sidebar, you'll see a button labeled Move. Depending on your HubSpot interface version, this button may also say Finish or Confirm. Click that button to complete the action. HubSpot will instantly move the file from its original folder to the new folder you selected. There's no need to refresh the page, and the file URL will typically remain the same, so it won't break existing links in your content. And that's it. That's how you move a file between folders in the HubSpot File Manager. As you can see, it's a very straightforward process. Go to Content and Files, locate your file, click Actions and Move. Choose your new folder and confirm. Keeping your files organized is a small habit that makes a big difference in long-term content management. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step HubSpot guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.